Welcome to this Easy Tech Fix-It channel, and we have learned today that there is going to be an event on September 30th for Pixel phones, smart speakers, and Chromecast. So basically on September the 30th at it's 11, the event starts at 11 a.m. Pacific time. So that is going to be at 2 p.m. Eastern time. And we are going to learn more about some events and some new stuff that Google has to announce. So this is going to be interesting to see. It's a hardware event, so we know that Pixel Phone 5 should be part of that. Also, smart speakers, so the Google Homes and Google Home Mini and so on. These are going to be updated, probably with new versions. New Chromecast also available. This is going to be interesting. So all of that is coming up on Wednesday, September 30th. And of course, I'll be watching that. And we'll be looking at what is coming up with this launch and what's all the new stuff and how interesting this could all be. So that was announced today. And we'll be looking at that. Don't forget that tomorrow, September 15th, is also an event. It's a Apple event tomorrow. That also will be talking about and sharing all the information about what they have announced. So we'll have videos about that tomorrow on this channel, which is a multi-channel of all sorts of things, technology, that we'll talk about. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.